Happy na birthday mo pa. Happy na birthday mo pa. Happy na birthday mo pa. Happy birthday.
Sana matupad yung wish ni Cara David.
Siya na yung video to. Hi be, happy birthday. Birthday mo na naman na ang layo-layo mo dito sa Pilipinas, ang layo mo sa pamilya, ang layo mo sa amin. Yun lang, gusto lang kitang batiin na happy birthday. Sana maging masaya ka. Mag-enjoy kayo. And, ayun, alam kong matagal mo nang pinipray na makarating kayo dyan ni Kuya. Kaya, deserve mo na mag-celebrate din ngayong araw. Lalo na sa mga hirap din na dinanas nyo, makarating lang dyan. Ayun lang, be. So, mag-celebrate ka. And, gusto ko lang sabihin na miss na kita. Miss na miss ka na namin. Miss na miss ka na. Siyempre, alam ko na pamilya mo. Ayun lang, be. And more birthdays and blessings to come. Mag-iingat kayo dyan palagi ni Kuya. God bless. And I love you, be.
Happy birthday, Boo. Sana lahat ng pangarap mo matupad. And thank you for being a good friend. And nandito lang kami para sa'yo. Ingat ka palagi dyan. Yun lang. Batiin mo si Tita Odin. Batiin mo Tita Odin.
Happy birthday, Tita Odin.
Love you.
Love you.
Ingat.
Ingat ka po.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Hi then, happy birthday to you. I wish you happiness and of course, baby, miss you.
Hi Claudine, happy birthday. Wishing you a day full of love, laughter, and everything that makes you feel truly special. A kind of joy that lingers longer when you've blown all the candles in your birthday. May this new chapter of your life brings you closer to your dreams and surrounds you with love in every step that you made. Keep smiling and keep the amazing person you are. Enjoy your special day. I miss you truly. And happy birthday again.
Hi, Ninang Claudine! Happy birthday! Ang wish namin para sa'yo, syempre, sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo sa buhay and sa family mo. And syempre, pati na rin sa'yo, sana magkaroon ka na rin ng maliit na suleng. Great ka naman, maliit na suleng. And stay healthy, ingat ka lagi dyan, malayo ka man sa pamilya mo, alam namin na kayang-kaya mo. At ginagawa mo yon para sa pamilya mo. Alam namin na matutupad mo yung pangarap mo dahil sa kasipagan mo, sa diskarte mo sa buhay. Ayun. Basta't lagi lang kayo mag-iingat dyan, syempre, dahil malayo kayo. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Hi, Bae! Happy birthday! Grabe yung bilis ng panahon. It's been more than a year since nung umalis ka, and sobrang dami nangyari. But all I can say, Bae, is I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud sa lahat ng narating mo and mararating mo pa. And I'm always praying, hindi lang sa success niyo dyan ni Billy. I'm always praying for your good health and safetyness all the time. And hindi man ako madalas mag-chat. Nabibisi man ako madalas sa buhay-buhay. But I'm always here, alam mo yan. I'm always here for you. I'm just one call and chat away. And wish you all the best, bye. Wish you all the best in life. Wish
sobrang deserve mo yun. Na makauwi ka, diba? Sobrang iba pag wala ka ba? Yung presence mo, nagbibigay sigla sa aming lahat dito. Again, happy birthday. I miss you so much and I love you, bye. Ingat ka dyan.
Happy birthday, Ate Claudine. Happy birthday, Ate Claudine. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Ate Claudine. Happiest birthday, Ate Claudine. I love you and I miss you.
Happy birthday, Ate Claudine. We love you and we miss you.
Happy birthday, Pagmars. Claudine. Yan lang, enjoy lang dyan. Kaya niyan. Tuloy-tuloy ang pangarap. Alright. Oh yes.
Happy birthday, Ate Claudine. Are you gonna sing?
Happy birthday, Ate Claudine. Joyeux anniversaire, Claudine. Feliz cumpleaños.
Hello, Ate Claudine. Kumusta na kayo dyan? Happy birthday. Enjoy your day. Ingat kayo palagi ni Kuya J. God bless.
Happy birthday, Mama. Happy your day. I miss you.
Happy birthday. Sana laging malakas ang iyong katawan. Mag-ingat ka lagi dyan. Love you.
Din. Mag-ingat kayo dyan.
Sa pinaka-sexy, pinakamagandang inaanak ko, Claudine, happy birthday sa'yo. 2 years ka na namin hindi nakakasama ng birthday mo. Ang wish ko, next year makasama ka na namin. In God's will. And gumawa ko ng bouquet para sa'yo ito. Ayan. Papadala ko na lang Papa LBC ko. And kay Billy Jo, ingat lagi dyan at alagaan mo si Claudine. Once again, happy birthday na anak. God bless.
Happy birthday sa apaka-sexy kong kapatid. And wish ko para sa'yo matupad mo yung mga pangarap nyo dyan sa Canada, kayo ni Graga. At maraming salamat sa laging pagsuporta sa pamilya natin. Lagi kang may initiative, kahit di sabihin tumutulong ka sa amin, lalo sa mga kapatid natin. And lagi mong tatandaan na proud kami sa'yo. Literal na ang layo ng narating mo. At tuloy-tuloy lang, huwag kang susuko. Though may mga times na gusto mo nang umuwi ng Pilipinas, pero alam ko naman kakayanin mo yan. And hopefully, magkaroon na rin tayo ng chuchay para may kalaro na si Choi. And we love you.
So, happy birthday. Happy na birthday mo pa to Claudine, La Victoria, Atencio. More birthdays to come. More candles to blow. Have a good health. Stay safe.
Ay, te, happy birthday. Miss ka na namin. Ingat kayo dyan. Tapos, pero mga 500.
Oh, man. I'm talking, man. Yo, it's your boy, man. Capital K-R-E-Y with the family name Attention, man. This is our greetings to you, man. My sister, my beloved sister. It's your boy in the middle child, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah? Yeah. Let's do this. This my message is completely sad because, I miss you so much and I miss hanging out with you guys. So I hope soon that you'll come home and see us and let's do some memories, man. I love you so much, Ate, and happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Why are you laughing, man? Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you, Ate Claudine. Yeah? Yeah. And I think that's all. So stay hydrated, drink responsibly, and take care always. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy. I'm out. Peace, y'all, man. Come on.
Nag-drain ako dun sa message mo.
What? That's the message, man. Go!
Happy birthday, te. I wish your day may be filled with happiness, laughter, and love. I
just want you to know that you are appreciated more than you could ever imagine. Enjoy your day. More birthdays to come. We love you. Yeah. Take care always, man. I miss you so much. We, your boy, out. Peace, y'all. Oh, post it.
Ay ate, happy birthday. Oh, ingat ka lagi dyan. Kayo ni Graga. Huwag nyo kami masyadong isipin dito. Okay lang kami rito. God bless you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, anak. Miss ka na namin. Ingat kayo palagi. I love you, anak.
Pati tulog na iyak. Okay? Sabihin mo kay ate? Batiin mo si ate. Huy! Happy birthday ka ba? Huy! Vlog. Vlog. Oh, bati. Birthday ate. Oh.
Happy birthday, mahal. Thank you palagi. Yan, laban lang. I love you.